Welcome to this technical guide on the Razer RZ09-0367. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Razer RZ09-0367 can't even last through a meeting, you're not alone. This issue often arises from a worn-out battery, which can degrade over time due to regular usage and charging cycles. Ignoring this problem might lead to further complications, potentially affecting other components of your device. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Razer RZ09-0367. To start the repair, ensure your device is powered off completely. Begin by carefully using the plastic opening tool to pry open the case, being cautious around the edges to prevent damage. Once you've accessed the interior, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by pulling it straight out, being careful not to disturb any nearby components. Now, remove the screws securing the battery in place, typically using the small Phillips screwdriver. Take your time with this step, as applying too much force can strip the screws or damage the casing. After removing the screws, you should be able to lift the battery out. Place the new battery in the same position as the old one, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, pressing it firmly to ensure a good connection. Now, replace the screws to secure the battery in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely back in place, carefully close the device by aligning the edges and pressing down gently until it clicks shut. Finally, power on your Razer RZ09-0367 to check that it functions correctly and the new battery is holding charge. To avoid this issue in the future, regularly calibrate your battery by allowing it to fully charge and then completely discharge every few months. Additionally, keep your device in a cool environment and avoid overcharging, as this can also prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.